Why, hello there, YouTube. Today we're going to play this game that I just completely forgot for like a second, which completely messed up the entire intro. It's called Natural Disaster Survival. I am fairly good at this game, as I have like 800 survivals, but they need to fix the freaking screen up there for the leaderboard. Anyway, we are playing on Party Palace. It is the palace of all parties. And you see, if you jump off it, you probably die. So, we just sit here and look at that. Meteors. They look oddly like, holy shiz. Oh. Evil giant flaming meatballs, that's what I was going to say. Yeah, just ignore that bit, because I am too good for this game. Yay. If only I knew how to edit, this would probably be edited out. Anyway, now we have to watch the people suffer the horrors of the meatballs. Mamma mia. Look at those flamin' hot meatballs. Oh yeah, they're so spicy, right, guy with a bird on his shirt? Yeah. 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 You see this thing is broken right here? It should say like 800 for me. And don't worry, I have these things for a reason. Like, I didn't just go ahead and, like, buy them because I'm a scrub-a-dub in the tub. No. I got, like, 150 survivals on my own without any of that stuff. Yay! So, I am no scrub-a-dub who just buys a premium item as you get into the game. No. I am no scrub-a-double-double do. Well, guess what? The game is now over. So now, we must wait for the next round to completely be amazing and win, because this round didn't count. This round didn't count. Magic meatball. Evil magic meatball. Now, what is it going to be? Raceway! We gotta get into a race car and we gotta race around. Boom, boom. Hopefully not get killed by a meatball shower like we did last time. Whoa there. That's a lag spike. Whoa. Oh, come on. You stupid furries. This dude up here. Scrub. No, come on. Car. Work. Go. Hill up. Okay, you're doing good. Okay, just a little bit more. Good. Get out of the way, you scrub. Freaking furry tail. Freaking hat. The scrub. Go away. Don't need none of that up in Roblox. Roblox is the land of Roblox citizens who know what they're doing. And look at that, an earthquake, and a random spazzing out car, which happens occasionally. Now we must drive to safety. We must not— oh, no! Don't count that round diver. Well then, that was just two terrible disasters in a row. Whoa, now we just gotta watch the other people suffer for a while. Do 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 Ooh. Hey, new round, let's go. Come on. Hurry up already. The people of YouTube will lie in wait. Okay, while we're waiting, let's look at the chat. The Walking Dead, dum. Yay! GG, I lived. The Flying Guest. Huggy Doug Pug. Your Doge was so cute. Okay, let's watch. Let's see. Listen. Saw your yes body. No, I was living this game. Actually, XD is flying. Dodge. No, Doge. Stay inside the school. Screw that. Okay, it's gonna be Sandstorm. Not Darude Sandstorm, but just a regular Sandstorm. Sadly. Yeah. Well, you can either stand on top of the school, go inside the school, and stand on top of the glass that is the school. Good idea. Go through the window. Then we go up here. No, not up here. Come on. Up here. Like so. And then over here. No. Over here. Over here. Here. Close enough. Damn it. Okay, come on, we got this. Sit right here. Here. There we go. Fine, eat that apple, eh? Come on, just stand on top of the... Close enough. Fine, I'll just stand on top of the school. Because that's more easy. I guess.